everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add an employee and also how to change their permissions using your Clover Dashboard. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go down to the Employees tab. Click on that. And once it finishes loading, so we're going to go ahead and click on that Add New Employee button right here. And from here you can add in all of your employees' information. So let's type in their name. If they had a nickname, you could put it there too. Now, you could add their email address, but the only reason why you would need to add someone's email address is if they need to be able to access reporting and all of your back-end stuff, right? So if they don't need to go in and see any of your reports, like, for example, just a stock employee or somebody who's working like a busboy, for example, or just a regular employee, if they don't need access to your reporting, you don't need to input their email. Now, if it's maybe your co-owner or your manager that helps you track sales, for example, and you want them to be able to print sales reports throughout the day, then that's something that you might want to consider adding their email so that way they can have access to the Clover Dashboard. So that's where you would put that. But if it's just busboy John Doe, you can enter his name, enter his passcode here, and then you would select his role. So you could put him as an admin, an employee, or a manager. So since he's the busboy, we just want him to have an employee setting. Press save. And then we should be able to go down here and see Mr. John Doe, our busboy. Now, if you want to go ahead and take a look at the employee permissions, you can go right here onto your left where it says permissions under the employee tabs. And you can see what your employees have access to. So anyone that's labeled as an admin, you'll see that this is all the things that they have access to. Anyone that's labeled as an employee, they don't have as many. And anyone that's labeled as manager is somewhere in between. So this is where you can see and you can edit their access based on what you want them to be able to do. So if you want them to be in a manager role, for example, we're just going back into roles. So you can see here who has the admin roles, who has the employee roles, and who has a manager role. So if you want them, as I said, for example, to go ahead and see your sales tracking, for example, if they're a manager, then you can go ahead and give them access to that. So that is how to add an employee and also manage their permissions. If you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to our channel. Please also leave us a comment down below letting us know what video you want to see next. And if you like this video, which I hope you did, please select that thumbs up button. It lets us know that we need to start creating more content just like this. Thanks so much for watching.